Well, good morning and welcome to Coffee and Devotion with Pastor Mike. Today is February the 14th. Happy Valentine's Day. The grammar of love. Beloved. If God so loved us, we also ought to love one another. 1 John 4:11. Sometimes Greek grammar can illuminate our responsibilities as Christians. As in 1 John 4:11, when the Greek word if is followed by a certain kind of verb form, in this case, loved us, the if condition is assumed to be true. So we could translate the verse, if God so loved us, and indeed he did, then we also ought to love one another in the same way. So loved us forces the question, how did God love us? The answer is found in the preceding verse 10. He sent his Son into the world to be the atoning sacrifice for our sins. Putting verses 10 and 11 together, we see our responsibility. God loved us sacrificially. If God loved us sacrificially, and indeed he did, then we also ought to love one another sacrificially. Our responsibility then is to love one another the same way God has loved us. God sacrificed his Son to love us. What have we sacrificed to love others? Have we sacrificed anger, pride, resentment, material goods, time, self-interest? Greek grammar makes our responsibility clear. Since God sacrificed his own Son for us, and indeed he did, we ought to sacrificially love others as well. Peace and blessings.